Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is Business Development Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. Today's topic is leverage your knowledge. One of the best attributes that the HEAL curriculum has is that we have information, knowledge, and can teach hands on skills that no one else has. You can't beat that. What do you when you are an equine lymphatic therapist, you have the opportunity to raise awareness. You do that by sharing the knowledge and the skills that you have learned. Why? One, it establishes you as a subject matter expert. You build your brand and you become the go-to person to help manage equine lymphatic issues. There's a old Chinese proverb that says, when someone shares something of value to you and you benefit from it, you have a moral obligation to share it with others. Register today to become the first in your area as an equine lymphatic therapist. Go to www.healequine.com/lymphatic curriculum and start your journey today. And what better way is there to put a ding in your universe for 2023? Believe in the possible.